Hey, this is Grandpa Casey. Today I have an exciting show. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to talk about power problems with laptops. Many of you have experienced a problem with your laptop, otherwise you wouldn't be on this video. Either one of three things. You plug your power cord into the laptop, the light doesn't come on, the laptop won't boot up. Number two is the battery doesn't charge and you put a new battery and it's still having a problem. And you've replaced the power supply. Well, I'm going to show you some quick and easy tips on how to fix that. Let's go into that right now. Now, essentially, this is the inside of the HP laptop. And over here on the right-hand side, you have all your plugs and connectors. And right on there is the right side, on the lower right-hand side is the power adapter, which is held in by one screw. Then there's a cord that comes out and plugs into the laptop motherboard. That is what supplies it, and that is where majority of your problems are usually occurring. Now, it's not very hard to replace. You just have to get the cover off. Now, this is an easy repair. Most of it is you're just going to have to take your time doing. You can order the actual power cord, or power plug, or power adapter, however you want to call it, from like on eBay. It's anywhere from $10 to $6, depending upon the brand and where you get it from, whether it's OEM or not. But basically, it's a very simple plug. It has one screw on inside the laptop. Usually that holds it in place, and then a cord that connects with a plug directly to the motherboard. So what you're simply going to have to do is take the back cover off the laptop. I'll show you how to do that, but basically it's very simple. You plug it in, and what it does is replaces it. Now essentially, basically what you're going to need to do is to remove the screws and the CD-ROM drive if you have one. You'll need to remove all the screws on the bottom, and usually there are hidden screws under the CD-ROM drive and underneath the feet. You may have to take the feet off or peel them back to expose the screws. Once you have done so, very carefully pop the cover off and you'll have easy access to the power connector. It takes a little time and a little patience to get this apart, but it's not that hard. Now, once you've changed that power plug, it's very simple. Just pay attention that when you're going to put the cover back on, you have all the connectors on one side, usually with the USB drive. It's not very hard. You just line them up and slide the left side cover into those holes so they match up. It may take 2 or 3 tries to get it in there the first time, but it's not very hard. Once you've done that, just pop the cover back on. And once you've got it in place and you know it's in the right place, give it a couple taps, it'll snap lock. Then just put your screws back in. Now when you're putting your feet back on, you may notice that the sticky part of the feet don't stick. And you can use some double-sided tape or some hot glue gun to fix that. But it's not really hard to finish this system. Now once you've inserted all the screws, you got your feet back on, basically all you have to do then, of course, is put the battery back in, attach the power cord. If you've done everything correctly, your power light will light and your battery will charge right up again, and you'll be good to go for quite some time now. So this is a quick and easy solution and quick repair. Hey, again, this is Grandpa Casey out. Don't forget to give us a like, give us a share, and give us an unsubscribe and hit the little bell button. We're looking to get to 1,000 at the time of this video, so help us out and make Grandpa happy. Have a great day.